Hey Galaxy fans! Big news for those excited about Samsung's One UI 7 update. Samsung is gearing up to bring a fresh, iOS-inspired media player right to your lock screen, something that's going to shake things up in a big way. This redesign is expected to launch in early 2025 and could completely replace the current media player setup with a larger, more eye-catching interface. According to reliable source Universe, One UI 7 might be taking some cues from iOS 18, making the lock screen media player more prominent and easier to use. So what can you expect? The revamped media player could take up much more space on the lock screen, featuring a modern, sleek design with a big square thumbnail for album art, a smooth progress bar, and music controls in a stylish overlay. Samsung may also add a refined blur effect for that extra touch of elegance, giving your lock screen a whole new level of sophistication. For many Galaxy users, this iOS-inspired update is something they've been eagerly awaiting. The familiar iOS style has been a favorite among users, and it looks like Samsung is finally delivering. But the update doesn't stop there. One UI 7 will also bring big changes to quick settings and the notification panel, making them more intuitive and visually appealing. Plus, Samsung is working on smoother animations to give the system a fluidity that matches Apple's iOS. Now, when can you get your hands on it? Universe says the One UI 7.0 beta might be just weeks away, with internal beta builds already in testing. These beta builds are packed with exciting new features and improvements, so it's looking promising. Samsung is taking its time this year, holding off on the beta release until the end of 2024, with the stable version expected by early 2025. Initially, Samsung plans to launch the beta in 7 countries: China, Germany, India, Poland, South Korea, the UK, and the US. While fans worldwide have been asking for a broader beta, it seems likely this rollout will remain limited for now. So what do you think? Is Samsung's new, iOS-inspired design the upgrade you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech news from us. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more from Touch Trove.